Open your Lovable project in your browser and ensure all your latest AI-generated changes are saved. If you're a developer, you can use the GitHub integration. Click Connect to GitHub to automatically push your code to a new repository. This keeps your version control organized and allows you to easily pull the project into VS Code or deploy it to platforms like Vercel or Netlify. Before you finish, make sure to check the preview one last time to confirm that all assets and routes are working correctly. Download your entire project as a zip file, which includes all the React components, styling, and configuration files. This is the best way to move your project to your own PC for local development or custom hosting. Once the zip is downloaded or the repo is synced, you have full ownership of the source code. You can now continue building your application using any professional code editor. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.